Coding here. We're going to blast through this iPhone 3G technical specification review. I'm doing this all for your benefit because we are going to have iPhone users who are still on the 3G, still on the 3GS. Some have updated to the iPhone 4. I'm not going to assume as many. But at the same time, I have left out the iPhone 2G spec requirements, even though a lot of users are still using them. But this is just like Internet Explorer 6, and if you don't do the upgrade, to be honest, forget you. So let's get started. Size and weight, go for it. We're running at 4.5 inches. This is all in regards to hardware. None of this is in regards to the display. So 4.5 inches high, we're talking about 2.4 inches wide. Really light, only about, just under 5 ounces. Um, Very thin phone. Um, a little thicker than the iPod Touch that we just saw, but let's move on to the display information. We're running 480 by 320 pixel resolution at 163 pixels per inch, which is a drastically lower screen resolution that we just saw with the iPod Touch, but that was also running with the brand new Retina display. Um, Obviously, there's support for a display of multiple languages on the keyboards and different characters simultaneously, as well as the multi-touch handling that is basically done by all new iDevices. Capacity, this is either 8 gigabyte or 16 gigabyte flash. If they still even sell this phone out in stores, I'm assuming that your users are already using it. Here's some cellular and wireless information. And GPS still runs off of assisted GPS. Audio. Video. A lot of this information is a little over my head, but at the same time, there's still many things that we could take note of, like the fact that the highest video quality you could possibly get on iPhone is basically MPEG-4 video, um, which does offer the fastest frame rate per second, as well as the highest resolution rate in regards to pixels. Um, Camera and photos. Photo geotagging was enabled for the iPhone 3G. This was not enabled for the iPhone 2G, as well as third-party application integration. Basically, when they launched the App Store and they came out just basically with apps that could integrate with the camera and photo library um, using the SDK. The camera is 2 megapixels, which is far less beautiful than the iPhone 4. Sensors, we got the accelerometer, the proximity sensor, ambient light sensor. Proximity sensor is basically the one like where you keep the iPhone close to your ear, and then if you notice your display shuts off. That's a good power saving technology. And mail attachment support. So basically you can view all types of documents, whether it be JPEG, TIFF, GIF images, which are basically, you can provide sequences of animations and GIFs. Basically doc, docx, HTML, Keynote, Acrobat files, PowerPoint files, Excel files, pretty much any file that a user is used to viewing on a daily basis, mail attachment can support. And that's a wrap for the iPhone 3G tech specs, and we'll see you for the iPhone 3GS tech specs. Ciao.